Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the password in StockX. Firstly, go to the StockX app. Once the app is opened, you will be on the home page. To change the password, you also have to make sure that you get logged into your StockX account. Tap on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is the profile icon. Now, on the top you may see Profile. Tap on that. Then, beside personal information, you may see Edit. Tap on Edit. Now again, beside Profile, you may see Edit. Tap on Edit again. Now, under your email, you may see the Change Password option. Tap on that. Then, the app notifies you to check your email. Now, go to your mail and then tap on the email sent by StockX. Tap on Reset Password. This will take you to another window where you can fill in the new password. Now, you may fill in the new password. Right below that, the app asks you to refill your new password again for further confirmation. Once done, you may tap on the green button. Then, the app notifies you that your password has been reset successfully. Then, the app asks you to log in again with your new password. Once you've typed your email, then you have to type your new password. Make sure you log in with your correct credentials, which are newly reset. Then the app automatically logs you in. This is how you can easily change your password in StockX. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and comment, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.